everybody, my name is Logan Taylor and I'm the Manager of Product Development here at Alpena. I've been given the opportunity to help a friend of mine sell this really unique custom Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. It includes solar on the roof, satellite entertainment system, an awning, and even a wheelchair ramp. I thought, what better way to help sell this than outfit it with interior and exterior LED lights from Alpena. Now let's take it into the lab and see what we can do. It doesn't look like this Sprinter has any lighting under the dash in the footwell areas. So I think to make this area a little bit more usable, a little bit more eye-catching on those long drives, we'll add the new RGB Underglowz kit in the footwell area of the van. Should give it a real nice pop. This Sprinter is done really nicely. So whatever we do, we're gonna keep it subtle. The interior storage up top here doesn't have any lighting inside. It's really hard to see. And not only that, when we open the door to the storage, we're actually covering up the lights that we have. That's no good. So we actually developed a new product recently, specifically for the RV market, that works for scenarios like this. It's called the hinge LED. Self-adhesive, so we don't have to drill any holes in this beautiful wood. It's battery powered, so we don't have to do any wiring. And it turns on and off automatically when the door is open. I think that's the perfect product for this scenario. All right. Now that we're on the back of the Sprinter, let's talk about some exterior auxiliary lighting. You know, a few years ago, I traveled around North America for about 10 months in a Sprinter not too dissimilar from this. And one of my biggest challenges was backing up into a dark camping site parking space after dark. These OEM reverse lights don't quite cut it. So I think we'll be adding some HexFire duals that'll give us great ambient lighting and also can double as turn signals. I think to top it all off, we'll do some MultiGloz RGBs as a nice fashion and aesthetic touch. Coming around the front of the Sprinter, let's see where we can add some auxiliary forward lighting. Yeah. What's great about these Sprinters is that they have this metal kick plate here that allows you to step up and wash the windshield. It can also be a great place for a light bar. Keeps the friend looking nice and smooth and sleek, and also gives the light bar a great view down the road. Again, to kick that off, we'll include some RGB underglows to give it that nice aesthetic look. We have all our products here ready to go. We have our 2 HexFire duals, which we'll be using 2 Install Kit Pros to hook up. The reason for 2 Install Kit Pros is because each of these HexFire duals has an amber circuit and a white circuit, so twice the wiring is normal. Externally, we'll be using our Underglowz RGB for fashion lighting and our MultiGloz RGB plus white quad chip interior RGB lighting. In the front, we'll be using the TecSlim 19, and we'll be installing that with our 3rd Install Kit Pro. We have everything we need. Let's get to work. I think we're done. Are we done? We're done? Let's take it outside. Fantastic.